I'm a children's book author, of course. I make snow angels in my cow suit. I'm a children's book author. Of course I have a garage full of unsold picture books. I'm a children's book author. Of course I have a menagerie of cows who are the main characters of my books. I'm a children's book author. Of course I have a cow plushie of the main character of my children's picture books. And an even bigger one. I'm a children's book author. Of course one of the characters in my picture books is my dog. I'm a children's picture book author. Of course I drink my coffee from a cow-themed mug. Cheers. I'm a children's book author. Of course I carry a box of extra books to sell wherever I go. I'm a children's book author, illustrator, and musician, so of course I have a song that goes along with my books. Little boy blue, come blow your horn, sheep's in the meadow, cows in the corn doing a shovel. The cows can do a shovel. Hickory, dickory, dock, the cow dance on the clock, doing the shovel. The cows can do a shovel. Here we go! You go to the right and you bust the move, go to the left, kick up two, shake it on down where the buffalo roam, turn yourself around till the cows come home, do the shuffle. The cows can do shuffle.